Now, attach one half of the Velcro strip to the bottom of the rover and the other half to the battery. This will secure the battery to the rover. Then, thread the battery wire through the hole. Screw for M3x8 plus 6 standoffs into the body of the rover. Place on the R3 board and secure it with M3x6 screws. Now plug the GalaxyRVR shield onto the R3 board. At this point, you can connect the battery wire. Secure a motor to the outer side of plate F using to M3 nuts, to spring washers and to M3x25 screws. The motor shaft and the motor wire should be facing outwards. With this installation method, the motor head is facing downwards. Following the same method, secure the other two motors. Note the orientation of the motor heads. Now plug the motor wires into the 3 connectors labeled right on the GalaxyRVR shield. There is no specific order for these connections. Install the 3 motors on the left side in the same way. Then, connect their wires. Insert the shaft adapter into the wheel. Then attach the wheel to the motor and finally secure them with an M2.3x20 screw. Follow the same steps to assemble the other 5 wheels. To prevent the motor wires from hindering the rover's movement, you can place them in the slot